Hello guys, welcome to Universal Tutor. So today we're looking at solve the equation 2x to the power 2 minus 2 and minus negative 2 equals to 0. Give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. So when you see such an equation, this should come in your mind to tell you that this is a quadratic equation. So I'm going to write the formula here. So the formula is negative b plus over minus and square root, then we have b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So in this equation we're going to copy the letters that were given. So we'll say 2 squared minus x negative 2 is equals to what? To 0. So this is our a, this is our b, this is our c. Okay guys, in the values of the equation. So we are going to say negative, what is our b there? That is x. Okay, so what's the value of x there? It is what? 1. Okay, so the value of x here, it is what? 1. So it's a plus minus, use the quadratic. Then what is our b again? Our b, it is what? 1 minus 4. A, it's what? A, it's 2. You close bracket. So after you close brackets, you come to C. What is our C again? It is 2. Then you write over. Alright guys, so we write our 2 in there, then 2, this is A here. So our A, it is A. So this 2 is in part of the formula. So now we come here guys. Make sure you're following guys. So from here now, we begin to add. Okay? So from here, we're going to say, I will even show you the short way how to get the correct answer the first way. So here guys, we're going to say we'll carry this same one, negative 1 here, then plus minus the sign 1, so multiply 4 times 2. Okay guys, so 4 times 2, that's 8. 8 times 2, that is 16. So here we have 16 over 4. So from here guys, now we can split it. We know that our answer here, it will be positive or negative. So we're going to say negative 1. We're going to say negative 1 plus, you write the scale, you just say 1 minus 16 over 4, or you say negative 1 minus 1 square root 1 minus 16 over 4. Okay guys, so here your answer, you come here. Okay, so if you want, you can do it directly, but we'll just do it for the sake of understanding. So I say negative 1 plus, we subtract, that is 1 minus 16, that is what? That is 15 over 4. Then you write O, then you say this side again, you say negative 1 negative square root 15 over what? Over 4. Okay guys, so from here now, you can just get it the way it is. You punch it, then you can just get it the way it is. You add this is 1 guys, sorry. So this is sorry my guys, so this is negative 1 plus. Okay, there is a 1 here. This is negative 1 plus square. So from here you can add it like that. So let's try to do it on. So here when we punch on the calculator without putting this, we just divide this. So we say negative 1 plus the decimals that we have. They have said how many decimal places here. Let's not forget 2 decimal places. So we're going to say plus 0.96. So we come this side, so we can round off, which is 2 decimal places. It will be 7 here. Okay, it will be 7. So we come this side again, we do the same, we punch, so it will give us the same number. So here it will be negative 0.97. So now we can come here. So now when we come here now, we add. All right guys, so we have solved it. Our answer is here and here. So if you want guys, you can also try it. and comment in the comment section. See what you find, guys. God bless you. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like my videos, and comment the topics that you want to see so that we get to solve it for you on this channel. God bless you. Have a blessed day.